Did you know there are ocean animals for every letter of the alphabet? Let's dive in and learn. A is for angelfish. These beautiful fish have bright colors and interesting shapes. B is for blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs. C is for clownfish. They live in sea anemones and are very friendly. D is for dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and love to play. E is for eel. They look like snakes but live in the ocean. F is for flying fish. They can jump out of the water and glide in the air. G is for giant squid. These mysterious creatures live deep in the ocean. H is for hammerhead shark. They have a unique head shape that helps them find food. I is for icefish. They can survive in freezing cold water. J is for jellyfish. They don't have brains, but they can glow in the dark. K is for krill. Tiny shrimp-like creatures that whales love to eat. L is for lobster. They have big claws and live on the ocean floor. M is for manta ray. These gentle giants have wings and look like they're flying underwater. N is for narwhal. Known as the unicorn of the sea, they have a long tusk. O is for octopus. They have 8 arms and are very clever. P is for penguin. These birds can't fly but are amazing swimmers. Q is for queen angelfish. They are bright and colorful, just like royalty. R is for ray. Rays are related to sharks and have flat bodies. S is for seahorse. These tiny creatures look like horses and swim upright. T is for turtle. Sea turtles travel long distances across oceans. U is for urchin. These spiky creatures live on rocks and coral. V is for viperfish. They have big teeth and live in deep, dark waters. W is for walrus. They have big tusks and love to rest on ice. X is for X-ray fish. You can see right through them. I is for yellow tang. Bright and sunny, they bring color to coral reefs. Z is for zebra shark. They have stripes just like a zebra. Now you know the alphabet with ocean animals. Which one is your favorite? Do you want to make your own fun videos? Have your parents click the link in the description to see how it works.